Hello, welcome to another crochet lesson. Today we're going to be learning front post double crochet and back post double crochet. Now these are great techniques to use if you're making something like ribbing where you need to have vertical lines of bumps. It's used pretty commonly in something like cuffs for a sweater or the bottom of a sweater where you need a ribbed look. So I've just chained a foundation row and did a row of double crochet. Most times when you're doing these stitches, you'll go into a previous row of double crochet. Sometimes it could be single crochet or half double crochet, but most of the time it's going to be double crochet, but whatever pattern you're following will specify. So what I've done is I've chained 2. Now, this is the post from the previous double crochet. So for double crochet, we always yarn over first. And then this is front post. I know this is gonna sound backwards, but you go behind the post to work it, so you keep the post in front. So that's why it's front post. Yarn over, bring it back over that post, and then finish your double crochet like you normally would. So now when we look at it, it kind of pops out the front here, as opposed to being, lined up with everything else. It kind of pops out to the front. So I'm going to do that again into this next stitch here. So we're going to yarn over. We're going to go behind it so the post is in the front. Yarn over, bring the yarn behind it, and then finish up our double crochet like we usually are. So there's 2, and you see they're pretty puffy and they definitely jump out towards you. So we'll do one more. Yarn over, go behind the post, yarn over, bring it under, and then finish your double crochet like normal. There we have 3 big puffy stitches. So for back post double crochet, what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over just like a regular double crochet, and this is going to feel kind of weird, but what we're going to do is we're going to go underneath the tops of the previous row and then go into the next hole so that the post is behind our hook. Right, the post is behind the hook here. Yarn over and then bring it through, and then yarn over and finish your double crochet like you normally would. So this way it sends it to the back. So these ones, the front post ones, puffed it out forward. The back post ones bring it to the back. So let's do that one again. This one's a little trickier. So we're going to go over. Okay. It helps to kind of hold the yarn here with your finger. We're going to bring it in the hole between the 2 posts. I'm going to put the post behind our crochet hook, like that. Yarn over, bring the yarn through, and then finish our stitch like normal. So now we have 2. Do one more. Try and do this one nice and slow. Whoop. Go in the back. Yarn over. Bring the yarn through. One, 2. All right, so we've done 3 front post double crochets. You can see them on the front there. And 3 back post double crochets. You can see them back there. So if you alternate these in rows, it'll make a nice ribbing effect. And it's also nice for some detail work on like the edges of blankets or anything else that you just want to have a little more texture than just regular like flat like normal crocheting does. I hope you found this video useful, and happy crocheting!